This 1132 Techwood?
Yeah.
What happened?
Yeah, someone came in with a gun.
How long ago?
I don't know, 15 minutes, something like that.
Can you give me some video real quick so we can put a lookout for him real quick? Like that, whatever that video there. Like, can you rewind that?
Yeah, I don't know. Let me see. My boss knows how to get it.
Which way did he go?
He just went out the door and then right. I don't know if he went up or down Techwood Drive. I've seen him before. I recognize him because he was in our hotel like a couple weeks ago.
Did he check in?
No, he didn't stay here, but he like come into our hotel. He like would just kind of steal things out of our market. We thought he was homeless or something.
Oh wow. Yeah, you got that Exxon stuff that on the image? Yeah.
I can get him to upload it.
Yeah.
Did he have a backpack?
Did he have a book bag?
Seconds to talk to you. Huh?
Did he have a book bag?
He did have a book bag on, yeah.
Yeah, they say he had a book bag. He had white shoes on?
I didn't see the shoes.
Hey, come back down to 10th and Fowler, Fred.
Just call. All right, just checking around. I'm moving over around.
Where? Oh, I got eyes on him. 10th and Fowler.
Still got eyes.
Hey, Fern.
All right, we're coming up. Myself and Georgia Tech. 26.
Copy on team.
It's him, the hoodie. Show me your hands. Get on the ground! On the ground! Get on the ground! Hands on your back! Get your hands on your back! Wait, cuff. Cuff.
Hold on.
Where we getting them cuffs? Oh, awesome, man. That's beautiful. Thank you. Appreciate it. This is awesome. Yeah, man. Stuff here, man.
I was like,
28 check.
You might have a federal offense on that too.
Yeah, okay.
I mean, it says Uzi pistol, but I don't know if it's.
yeah, there's ways to check if it's full auto or not.
Yeah.
But I don't know how to do that. You gotta like.
Boy, you try to rock. Swap this way. Oh, okay. Them jokers are on kind of tight.